This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, now let us try to understand different functionalities of various submodules within SAP FICO. Now, to begin with, first we need to always understand something called baseline configuration in SAP FICO. When we talk about baseline configuration, it is all about understanding a company business process, company's business requirement, and accordingly creating the setup in SAP. Meaning, if you are joining in any project tomorrow, you will be working for a company which has a legal name for it. Am I correct? Okay, you will be joining a company where there is a legal name for the company. For this company, you need to understand how they are currently operating in the market and how many legal entities they have, where they are operating, and how they wanted to migrate into SAP or how they wanted to move it into SAP. Here, what we need to understand first point, we need to understand company name and business details or business process. You can take an example of any company. Everybody is aware of any company. Now here when you're taking any company, strictly take a company. We must take a company which is operating in multiple countries. Are these 2 points clear? First, we need to understand the company name and their business process. Secondly, you need to understand the company, or you need to take a company which is operating in multiple countries. Now, when you're talking about multiple country, are you referring to an MNC, multinational company? Is that right?
Yes.
For example, if I talk about, let's say, Reebok shoes, or if I talk about Nike shoes, or if I talk about any other Bata shoes or any company, let's say Coca-Cola or any company you take, Britannia, any company, you take any one company where you see that this company or this brand is available in multiple countries. If you start counting, at least can you easily make out 5 companies on your fingertip? Yes, no? Which is operating in minimum 2 countries possible. If
Yes.
I say, for example, Honda
Yes, sir.
cars, do you find Honda cars in India?
Yes, sir.
Do you find Honda cars in China, Singapore, US, and some other country other than India, or it is available or it is operating only in India? Is Honda cars or is Honda Motors operating only in India, or it is also operating in other countries?
Worldwide.
Operating in other countries.
Right? It is operating in other countries. Likewise, we need to take a company which is operating in different countries. These are all basically your multinational companies. Now, once you're taking these companies, first understand, if I take Honda Motors, what is the business process of a Honda motor car business? Am I right?
Yes.
Honda Motors is dealing with cars. Similarly, if I talk about something, let's say Dell computers. Now, is a Dell computer available only in India, or it is also available in different other countries?
Other
Different other
countries.
countries.
Available.
It is available in different other countries also. Meaning, can I call Dell Computer is also a multinational company, MNC?
Yes.
Right? Similarly, if I take Samsung mobile phones or Samsung, is Samsung available only in India or it is also available in other countries?
Other
Other.
countries.
It is available in other country also, meaning it is also multinational company, global company, right?
Yes.
Likewise, look at the company names that you are familiar with their product. Any company you take, it is okay. There is no rule here. You are free to take any company provided you know their product. When I say you know the product, if I'm talking about Samsung, you're all aware what are the products of Samsung or not? Maybe mobile phone, maybe washing machine, refrigerator, TV, XYZ. Yes or no?
Yes.
You'll have to strictly take the company where you know the product of the company. If you do not know the product of company, don't take that company as an example. That is not a right company for you to understand SAP FICO or basic fundamentals of your SAP FICO process. Take strictly a company where you know the product of the company. Otherwise, don't take it. Now, on a daily basis, right from the day beginning until the day ending, you look at so many products around you. Am I right? You may be looking at your mobile phone once you get up. If you look at your mobile phone, you may be using a branded mobile phone, maybe Samsung, Apple, Redmi, XYZ.
Yes.
Now look at, is this company where I am using a mobile phone available only in India or available in different other countries? You got a company example or not? Am I right?
Yes.
For example, I am using Vivo mobile phone. Vivo is available in India. Vivo is available in different other countries. Let's say I am using a Motorola mobile phone. Motorola is available in India. Motorola is available in some other country also. After that, let's say I am brushing my teeth. Now I am using a toothbrush. Now toothbrush is also having a company on it, maybe Colgate toothbrush or any other thing, or toothpaste you take. I have Colgate toothpaste, Close-Up toothpaste, Dabur toothpaste. Everything is a company or not? And a toothpaste is a product or not?
Sir.
Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Who knows, tomorrow you may be working in a Colgate company as a project SAP FICO consultant. Possible or not?
It's possible.
Right? And you need to look at it. Don't break your head to get the example. Look at your surroundings. In your surrounding, you will get so many companies by way of a product. Right? You are wearing a dress. Look at your shirt. Look at your clothing, and look at every clothing has a branding. Yes, no? And check whether this brand shirts or whether this brand clothing available only in India or it is available all over the world. Let's say I am wearing something like Lee Cooper shirt. If I am wearing a Lee Cooper shirt, is Lee Cooper available only in India or available in some other country also? Is it available only in India or other country also?
Worldwide. Other country also.
Other country also it is available. For example, I am wearing, let's say, Bata chappal. I am wearing sandals which is of Bata made. Now, is Bata footwear available only in India or out of India also it is available?
Out of India also.
Right? Let's say out of India also it is available. Then whatever you do, whatever the product you look at, whatever the product you use, everything has a company name, a branding. Now you can get so many examples or not if you start thinking like this, where you know what is the product. If you are taking a company and for that particular company you do not know what is the product, you will not understand anything about it. So don't take such companies. Take a simple company wherein you understand what is their product, And similarly, you also need to ensure what are their competitors so that it will be even more easier for you to understand. So that it is even more easier for you to understand, okay, in this similar line, there are so many companies. For example, I am looking at my mobile phone only. I am using Samsung mobile phone. Is it only Samsung who is operating a mobile or who is dealing with mobile phone? Or there are so many other companies?
Other companies are
Many,
there.
many companies.
There are so many, right? In short, if I get one, I can easily rate another 10 brands. Possible or not?
Yes.
Possible.
So you simply got 10 examples on your list. 10 companies are in your on your fingertips now. Let's say I take a Honda car. Is Honda alone manufacturing a car, selling a car, or there are so many other brands?
Other brands are there.
There are so many, right? Now you got another 10 companies. Like that, if you know 10 product, you got 100 companies or not on your fingertips? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right? Next, what we need to do is slowly we need to start thinking about what is their business process. Because every company is doing a business. When they're doing a business, business is all about doing a sale, making a sale. Yes or no? I will tell that they are doing a business only when they sell something. If they are not selling anything, can I say that they are doing a business without sale? Or I cannot. When there is no sale, there is no business. Now, if I am representing a company doing a business, I am meaning or I am trying to say that this company is selling something. Now, any company who is selling something to a customer, it can be a product or it can be a service.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So they can sell a product, they can also sell a service. Am I right?
Yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, how do you know what is the product? How do you know what is the service? Only when you understand the company. For anything to move forward, company name is mandatory or not.
I'm with you.
If you do not know the company name, you do not know what are you selling. If you do not know what you are selling, you do not know how you make profit. If you do not know how profit is coming, you do not know what business is happening, how business is operating. Am I right? Every point is interconnected. When we say every point is interconnected, you need to understand how a company is basically doing their business. First point, if you look at any point, let's take Bata. An example, you can replace any company as per your understanding. I'm taking this because everybody is aware of it. If you look at Bata, what is Bata manufacturing? When I tell Bata, what is striking your mind?
Footwear.
Footwear.
So,
Footwears.
Can I say it's a footwear business? Bata is a footwear business. Now, what is the product that you find in the market related to Bata? You will find a shoe, slippers, and all. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Right? You will find shoes, slippers, and all. This is all about Bata. Next one, are they manufacturing? Is Bata manufacturing or not?
Action.
Yes.
Yes.
Bata is manufacturing footwear. Is it their own manufacturing or they're purchasing from somebody else and then selling it to the customer?
I think both.
Own
Own
manufacturing.
manufacturing. Let's assume
Yes.
that it is their own manufacturing. We don't need to go in depth into it because all this will be given to us by the user in the project. Am I right? Your client will tell their business process. Here, since we do not have any client, we need to have our own basic fundamental understanding. In such a way, you will get different point exposure here. Let's assume Bata is manufacturing their own shoes. Now, for you to manufacture your own footwear, you need raw material or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? For you to manufacture footwear, you need raw material. Raw material, somebody will donate it to Bata or Bata will purchase the raw material.
Purchase.
Bata was purchased the raw material.
Right? Bata will purchase it. Nobody is donating raw material to Bata, right? Yes or no? All right. Now, when Bata is purchasing, to do purchasing, you need funding or not, money or not?
Yes.
Is this possible to purchase without money?
No.
It is not possible for you to purchase without money. Can you spend money the way you want, or you need some planning on budgeting for it?
Yes, sir.
Right? For you to buy anything, you need to have a plan, you need to have a budget. Agree? Like this, every point is interconnected or not? If I wanted to sell footwear to the customer, first of all, I need to make sure footwear is available with me. Footwear is available in stock. How do I bring footwear into my stock? Point number one, I need to manufacture the footwear. Point number two, I need to buy the footwear. Am I correct?
Manufacturing.
Point number one, you'll have to manufacture. Point number two, you'll have to buy. Are these 2 points clear? Manufacturing and purchasing. Otherwise,
Yes.
you will not get the product in your warehouse, right? You will not get the product in your stock to sell it to the customer.
Yeah.
Now, you need to slowly connect the points in such a way how product is reaching to the customer. If you are not aware of it, and we are not in a position to understand what is happening in accounting, what is happening especially in FICO. And FICO is all about recording accounting transaction. Accounting transactions involve wherever money is going out, wherever money is coming in. Is that true?
Yes.
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 Now, if you are again recollecting this, Bata is your footwear business, and they are trying to do the footwear manufacturing. To do the footwear manufacturing, they need to understand market requirement or not. Let's say if you look at currently,
Yes.
it is the season. It is the season where all schools are getting reopened, all colleges are getting reopened. Now, Bata might be targeting to manufacture more school shoes, right? More college shoes and all. Agree?
Yes.
Now, in this situation, Bata needs more money or less money?
They
More
required more
money.
money.
More money.
They need more money because they need to have more stock available. Reason, it is the season for them to sell more shoes to the school kids or college going students, college wear, all this kind of a thing. Now, for this, what Bata need to do? All of a sudden, Bata will not get money, right? They need to do a planning. Okay, schools will be reopened from June onward. We need to make sure before June product is available.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
For this to happen, what we need to ensure, you need to ensure everything is well planned or not, because you need money here, right? Just like that, you will not get money. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Because here you are not purchasing one pair of shoe wherein you can borrow 200 rupee, 500 rupee, 1000 rupee from somebody, go get a shoe. Here you are manufacturing, you need money in lakhs, money in crores. You need huge amount of money, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Unless it is well planned in advance, it is not possible. Like this, in any company there is a proper planning. In any company there is a proper planning. Though we don't understand everything, it is okay, but we need to at least think, okay, this is how things will happen in any organization or in any company. First, you need to look at what are you selling to the customer. Secondly, how you are getting the product to you. Are you manufacturing or are you purchasing? Either of the cases you need the material purchase. Am I right? Either you need to
Yes,
buy the
sir.
raw material, convert the raw material into finished product, sell it to the customer, or you directly buy the finished product, add your label on it, and then sell it to the customer. In either of the cases, you need funding, you need money, meaning there is an accounting involvement here from the manufacturing point of view, from the purchasing point of view.
Yes.
All right. And after that, you need to look at what is exactly happening. What is exactly happening for me to sell it to the customer? Before you sell anything to the customer, you have different kind of expenses or not? Manufacturing expenses, salaries, day-to-day operating expenses. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And the moment you sell it to the customer, you will get revenue, meaning you will get money. This money is to be taken, and on every sale, whatever you are making, you need to identify whether you are making a profit or not. Required,
Yes.
or I will make sale, I will
Yes.
relax. I need to know on every sale what is my profit, and on overall my sales what is my profit. In short, I am more concerned about individual sale wise profit plus overall sales profit also.
Yes.
Why means same
Yes.
product may not be sold at the same price to this every customer, right? To some customer you might give additional discount. To some customer you may not give any discount. To some customer you may give it at a special price, depending on the different parameter, depending on the different scenario. Possible,
Yes. That is possible.
right? Every point, every scenario to be considered just at very high level. Don't think sales means customer account debit, sales account credit. I understood sales, nothing doing. This is not your sales in a project. This is a sales in your intermediate. This is a sales in your academic, not in a company. Okay. Now, first point, let us try to understand when you're trying to do any sale, you are clear now. You need to get the product.
Yes.
Yes,
You
sir.
are now clear that you need to get a product either by manufacturing or by purchasing. Either of the ways, let's assume that you got the product available with you. Immediately, what you need to do, you need to ensure you are making a sale. Now, let us look at this point. We sell product or service to the customer. Now, here we will have selling price. Am I right?
Yes.
Here you have selling price for every product, whatever we sell, we have a cost. Am I right?
Yes.
Let's assume your selling price is 1,000 rupees. If you are selling a product for 1,000 rupees, is the cost 1,000 rupees, less than 1,000 rupees, or greater than 1,000 rupees? In
Less
most
than.
likely scenario, what will be the
Yes.
price? What will be the cost? Less than 1,000. Let's say I will take 800 as my cost. If I say this, how will I get to know whether I am making a profit or loss?
1,000 minus 800, you get a profit of 200. Selling price minus cost price.
200 is the difference. Now, this I say
Selling
sales,
price.
this I'll say COGS, this I'll
Cost.
say profit.
Yes.
COGS means what?
Cost of goods sold.
Cost of goods sold.
Cost of goods sold, and then you are getting a profit.
Profit.
All right. Is this 200 calculation clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Clear.
Clear, right? For everybody, 200 calculation.
Yes, yes.
All right. Next one. If I say what is the accounting entry for sales? What is the accounting entry for sales? Anyone?
Cash
Cash
account
Cash
data.
or
account data to sales account.
person
Sales
account
account.
data to
Customer to sale.
It is your
Cash accounted to sales if it is sold for cash only. That only customer. Otherwise, customer to
customer
sales.
account
Customer account
debit,
debit.
sales account. Let us
Sales
assume
account. Debit.
it is customer account only. Okay, let's take customer scenario only, not cash sale. Let us take credit sale, where you will be debiting a customer account. All right. If I say customer account debit, sales account credit, what will be the amount that we have to consider here in this accounting entry?
1,000.
1,000 rupees.
1000 on the debit side, 1000 on the
1,000.
credit side. Is this correct?
Yes.
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 Now we receive profit or loss during sales. Am I right?
Yes.
We receive profit or loss during the sale, but here where is the profit or loss in the sales entry? Where is it?
it will be in trading account
No.
in left
You know
side.
that when you make sale, you get profit. Now I made a sale. Now I recorded the
Profit will
accounting
be
entry for sale.
it's a
Then there
P&L
should be
account led
accounting entry, right?
income side.
In short, is your sales representing a profit or not?
Yes.
Representing.
Yes.
Representing the profit.
Yes.
Can you show me where it is representing? I am looking at accounting. In my accounting entry, where is the profit?
It will go to profit GL, that entry.
But where that entry will come? Profit will be made only when you make a sale. Am I right? Now the sale is made for 1000 rupees. Accounting entry for sale is not including profit, right?
Yes, and after finalization of accounts, that moment we will minus from purchase, trading, purchases minus sales. Whatever the profit comes, which should be transferred to P&L account and debit side. That we will show
Meaning,
as a income.
is this so easy to understand how profit is getting accounted in accounting? Forget about SAP. This everybody understood so easily, right? 1800 200. But when you write this into accounting entry or journal entry, creating a little confusion or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Customer account debit.
When we listed here, everybody was clear. The moment I started writing accounting entry, little tricky here. Where is profit?
Yes.
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 Meaning, the way we are trying to understand, the way we are trying to connect to the point should be clear right from the beginning. At the end of the day, any company doing a business is to make what? Profit only.
Yes.
Yes.
That is the whole objective of any business, any company. If we are not in a position to understand or calculate how the profit is calculated in that company or in any company, is our accounting understanding helping us or not helping us?
Yes.
If you are not able to understand, are you able to understand, or are you able to convince me or convince anybody or convince yourself how you will show the 200 profit in the sale?
Customer
Sir, I
account debit
guess
to
we
cost of
take
goods sold account
one more
to
entry,
profit account.
cost of goods sold to sales account. Like we also mentioned the cost of goods sold. We take one more entry, additional entry to
Compound
show
journal.
this transaction
So
of
first thing
the
we need to
Customer account
understand,
debit to cost of goods sold to profit account.
these are all incorrect. These are all incorrect. First, we need to understand how sales are made in any company. Am I correct? If we understand how sales are made in any company, easy for us to connect to what is happening. Am I right?
Yes.
If we do not
Yes.
know how sales are made in any company, you will never understand how profit is calculated, because profit is coming from sale. Sale is the key point of business. Will anybody tell I am doing a business but I am not selling anything? Anybody will say that?
No.
No.
Yes.
Nobody will tell that. Muni, can you please go on mute? I think you have background noise. Nobody will tell that I am doing a sales, sorry, I am doing a business, but I am not selling anything. Nobody on this earth will say this, right? Agree?
Yes. Yes.
So if they are making a sale, or in any company sales are happening, meaning we need to understand how the sales are happening. First point. Before you get into SAP, you'll have to connect it to these points. Let's say how sales are happening in a company. One minute. Ravindra, can you please go on mute? Please make sure if you're not talking, strictly go on mute. Let me not repeat this point again and again. Please ensure you are conscious and then you are going on mute well if you're not talking. Am I clear? If you respond, but go on mute immediately.
Yeah,
If
sure,
you're
Ajay.
forgetting to mute yourself, please don't unmute yourself, so that it will not create any confusion.
Yes.
All right. Otherwise, unnecessarily we will get deviated. Unwanted background noise we will have to hear. All right. So here we need to understand how sales are happening in any company. There are 2 points. First one, based on order. Second one, without order. Now everybody would have understood, or everybody must be aware of something called SAP FICO interview topics. Am I right? I'm sure everybody is aware of it. From the SAP FICO interview topic, again, most of you must be aware something called FISD integration, FIMM integration. Am I correct or not?
Yes.
Are these 2 points important from any interview of SAP FICO or not?
Yes. Much more important.
Yes.
There is no SAP FICO interview without these 2-point discussion, irrespective of the experience, whether you are 0-year experience or your 100 years experience. For sure, you will be questioned about MM integration, ST integration with FI. Is my point correct or incorrect?
Correct.
Incorrect?
Correct.
That's correct.
Correct, right? Now, without these 2 points, there is no sale in the company. Without ST integration, without MM integration, there is no sales in the company. In your example, you need to ensure something like, let's take an example. Bata is selling school shoe to customer A for 1000 INR. Possible or not?
Can be.
Bata is selling school shoe to customer for 1000 rupees INR. Now for Bata, this shoe is stock.
Yes.
Yes. Inventory.
For Bata, shoe is stock or inventory or material. Am I right?
Yes.
For Bata, this is what we need to understand. Similarly, for Bata, A is a customer. You can replace A with any name. Okay, you can replace A with any name. A is a customer. Now, for Bata, 1000 INR is selling price. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, Bata can sell to customer A only if stock is available. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can Bata sell to the customer if there is no stock?
No.
They cannot.
Not possible. Now, stock is maintained in SAP MM module.
Yes.
Right? You have something called stock register or stock report.
Yeah.
Let's say current stock is 25 units, meaning 25 pairs of shoes. Am I right?
Yes.
Now, current sale is 1 unit and you will get closing stock. How many units?
24.
24.
24.
Is this correct? Till here,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
these are all correct. Now, can you do a sale when you are not in stock? When you're out of stock?
No.
You cannot make sale if you're out of stock. Next point, stock value and sales value. Are these the same or different?
Different. Different, sir.
Stock value is different, sales value is different.
Yes.
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 Now, stock value is equal to cost in bracket COGS Now here COGS is equal to cost of goods sold. Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Minus closing stock.
Sale value is equal to revenue
Correct.
or sales in bracket. Now, how do you find out the profit?
Cost
Profit is
minus
equal to
revenue.
sales minus
Cost of
COGS,
Cox.
COGS.
Cost of goods sold.
sales minus COGS. For every material, there is a master record. Am I right?
Yes.
When I say for every material there is a master record, what do I mean? Now, if you go to any shop, nobody will ask you or nobody will tell you price orally, right? Nobody knows the price. What they do, they simply look at the product or take the product whatever you wanted to purchase. On that product there is a barcode. They'll simply put a scanner to the barcode. It will display the selling price. Am I right?
Yes.
Meaning your barcode is reading the data only if material master is maintained. Let it be any system, not specific to SAP. Agree or
Yes.
not?
Yes.
Agree.
If it is not reading the data, you would have noticed the person on the counter is looking at the barcode, entering that number 4567823 something. Agree?
Agree.
Yes.
Meaning for every material there is a master record or not. Material master in short.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
For every material there is a material master. Now material master is controlled by or is managed by FI consultant, SD consultant or consultant in any project.
Consultant.
Consultant.
Materials are managed by
Material.
consultant. Now the way you are talking about SAP FICO, in the similar way there is SAP or not?
Yes.
Right? Now you will have the catalog or you will have the product list of every company. If you look at Bata, if I'm looking at Bata, in this Bata I am trying to sell a school shoe. Now in this school shoe there are different models, or school shoe means standard only one model.
There are different models.
Different model.
There are different model. For boys there are different model, for girls there are different models. Am I correct?
Yes. Yes.
And within the boys, only for school shoes we're talking about. School shoe boys, again you may be having 4 varieties. For girls there may be 5 varieties. Possible or not?
Yeah, possible.
Possible.
And within this you will get black shoe, white shoe. Possible.
Yes.
Yes.
Possible. Yes.
With lace, without lace. Possible.
Yes,
Yes.
possible.
Right? Size 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Possible.
Yes. There are different
Or
Possible.
sizes.
25, 27, 28, 29. Now if you look at every unique combination, it is a product, it is a material.
Yes.
Yes.
Sometimes you like some shoe, but your size is 8, but there you don't get 8, it is a 7 available. It is becoming tight for you. You will tell, do you have 8 number? Then the shopkeeper says or the salesperson says, no, 8 is not available, only 7 is available. Do you buy 7 if it is not
No.
fitting?
No,
No.
sir.
No, right? Or 9 is available. Do you buy 9? If you are walking,
No.
your leg is coming out of the shoe. If you are wearing a 9, if you put step, your foot will be out of the shoe if it is too loose. Am I correct?
Yes.
One step in shoe, second step out of the shoe. You will not buy that
Yes.
one also.
Yes.
Meaning you will buy only the right product, right?
Yes.
Now here you need to make sure everything is available. If customer is asking for 8 number shoe, you have to take out only 8 number shoe from the stock, not 7 number, not 9 number. Agree?
Yes. Agree.
In general, it is just a shoe, but in practical, it is not just a shoe. Am I right? Model number is important, color is important, size is important, meaning different attributes of your material product is also coming into the picture or not.
Yes.
At the last minute, because of XYZ reason, your sale may be cancelled. Customer may withdraw the decision because of size is not matching. Shoe is there, but it is having a small defect. Minute damage is there. It is the last piece. You'll not be able to sell it. Possible or not?
Yes. Possible.
Right? Now, every point practically you have to look at it. Similarly, you will get the scenarios from the client tomorrow when you're working. Right? Similarly, you will get, I'm taking Bata example, relevant information I'm talking. If you take some other example, relevant information you can also connect, yes or no? At the end of the
Yes.
day, whatever the company that you are taking, whatever the product which you are taking, in line with it, you can easily relate some points. Am I correct? Not that I am completely blank, I don't know what is happening. If that is the case, something is really wrong with us. If that is the case, I am completely blank, something is really wrong. Forget about SAP FICO, whatever I'm talking now, everybody can in general relate it to it or not,
Yes.
Yes.
right? You can easily relate it in general, right? Same thing will happen even in your SAP FICO. If you collect these points well in advance, once we are practically inside SAP, easy for you to practically connect to the real-time scenarios. Okay, why this is happening, why your client is asking this, why user is asking this to be like this. You will start understanding. Otherwise, you will tell that this user is asking all crazy things. They are not happy with this, they are not happy with this, because you are not understanding their pain, you are not understanding their exact requirement. Am I correct? It is our understanding fault. Am I
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
We are not able to understand the business requirement. If we are not able to understand the business requirement, problem with the consultant, not with the business, not with the user. For user, if not you, they will bring one more consultant who will tell, I will give the solution. Yes, no? Am I correct or not?
Yes. Correct.
There is not only 1 2 consultants on FICO, right? There are thousands of FICO consultant. So client has got a lot of option. Make sure you will not give these kind of excuses to the client to say that no, this candidate is not okay. Now here, for every material you have the master record. For me to find out if I am getting a profit or loss, my sales is telling what is my selling price. For me to find out the profit, do I need the cost or not?
Yes, sir.
Meaning every material is created along with price, in short, cost to the company. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now this price can be, this cost can be on standard
Price.
price or moving average price. Correct? This can be
Yes.
either standard price or moving average price. Company will take a decision. And these are all standard across every company in this world. Don't think you are learning something new. This is something which is followed universally across the globe. You are not an exception. I am not an exception to it. Okay. Now, selling price is something that I am deciding at the time of a sale. Cost is the same, right? I can only change my selling price. Cost I cannot change. Agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Cost I cannot change. All I can change is my selling price. If I want more profit, more selling price. If I want less profit, less selling price. That is where people will give discount. If somebody is giving a discount, they are compromising on the profit or not, reducing the profit or not,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, considering these points, what you'll have to do if you are making a sale, there are 2 points here. Point number one, make sure stock is available.
Yes.
From where you will check if stock is available or not? FI side, MM side, SD side.
MM side.
MM side.
You will verify MM side, material management side, if stock is available or not. Okay, stock is available, you will do the sale. For you to do the sale, you need to deliver the product or not deliver the product.
You need to deliver the product.
Deliver the
You need to
product.
deliver the product. You will deliver the product and then you will do the sale. Take a simple example of any supermarket or any shopping mall. Without taking the product, will you get the invoice? Will you get the bill?
No.
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 Whatever you want, you have to go get the product and then they will do the barcode scanning to the product so that in their material, in their inventory, this stock will be reduced. Yes or no? Like 25
Yes.
quantity will become 24.
Yes, the stock will reduce
If they are
after.
right, if they are not able to scan the barcode, they will tell this is not working and then they will not sell the product, right?
Yes.
Sometimes by mistakenly user scanned a barcode 2 times. Instead of 1, it has become 2. But ideally you are selling how many units to the customer? Only 1.
One. Yes.
If by mistakenly it is updated quantity as 2, now 1 to be reduced. One quantity to be reduced or one quantity to be removed, which is incorrectly updated on your sale. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
In this case, you would have noticed the sales people calling somebody to swipe their card to reduce the data. Am I right?
Yes.
Right? The person will call somebody, manager or somebody. They will update some code or something there. Then only they can modify the data, right? Which
Yes.
means then they can make it 24 here. They can make it 1 here. Everything is controlled or uncontrolled.
Everything is controlled.
Everything is controlled because tomorrow you need to work on the reports and every report must tally. You need to do the reconciliation. Yes or no?
Yes.
Not just a sale is done, okay, 1000 rupees, 800 rupees, 200 profit I got, I'm happy. No, not like this. There is a lot to be done, to be performed in the back end, which we need to practically understand in every project. Now, in every company, these are the standard basic fundamentals. If we remember these points, you will understand any company business process. This is how everybody will do the sale, right?
Yes.
If you take any company, every company will have their own product or service. This is how they deduct it. Assuming you have the stock is reduced. Now for you to reduce the stock. Now the stock is reduced for what purpose? Sales or any other purpose?
Sales purpose.
It is reduced for sales purpose. Now,
Yes.
while doing the sales activity, are we using purchasing activity or are we using MM activity or not? MM module or not?
Yes. MM activity.
Yes, sir.
MM is coming into the picture. For what purpose? Keep it aside for time being. MM is getting involved in your sales process or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Involved, sir.
MM is involved.
Yes.
Now, Once the stock is delivered to the customer, then you need to bill it to the customer. If you don't give the material, you give the invoice, your customer will shout on you, where is the product? Why are you giving me the invoice? The
Yes.
moment you give invoice to the customer, customer is accepting that product is received. I am liable to pay to you now. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So nobody will accept the invoice without receiving the product. So you need to
Yes.
ensure invoice is created only after delivery.
Yes.
So MM is taking initiative and then ST is completing the process.
Yes.
Now here everything must be tracked or not.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now for you to do all this tracking, you need order number.
Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that is where you are calling it as based on order. If you are selling, what order is this called as?
Sales order.
Sales order. If you are selling, it is called as a sales order. So what you will do, you will create a sales order. Based on the sales order, you will deliver the product. Whatever the product that you are delivering, you need to do a stock out. You'll have to reduce it from your inventory.
Yes.
All right. And then
Yes.
you need to create an invoice. Now
Yes.
here, when you're doing the delivery or when you're reducing the inventory will be reduced with the inventory cost. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
Inventory will be reduced by 800 rupees and sales will be updated by 1000 rupees.
Yes. Sales will update with 1,000.
Sales will be updated for 1000 rupees. Stock cost will be updated for 800 rupee.
800.
Difference between sales and cost of a sale or cost of goods sold will be 800. Difference will be 200. Now this 200 you call it as a profit. Now this 200 you are calling it as a profit by just considering product value and then product cost. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But you also have the business operations, right? You are paying rent, you are paying salaries, you are having different other maintenance expenses every day, every month. What about that cost? From where you will recover it? From the regular profits only,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
right? Meaning, slowly we need to make sure different points we are connecting. Now, can I say 200 is my actual profit or it is not?
It is not.
No.
It is
It
not.
is not.
Because when you are preparing the P&L, you are not only taking sales and then cost of goods sold, right? You are taking various other things,
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Associated.
Yes.
right?
Operating expense.
Meaning that is where you are calling as operating profit, profit after tax, profit
Yes.
before tax, earning before tax, earning after tax. Yes, no?
Yes.
There are different names that we give when you're preparing a P&L statement. But when I wanted to find out only the profit, then you have something called COPA report. Which report?
COPA report.
Coupon.
COPA reports. In COPA, what will happen? Everybody is aware of Excel.
Yeah.
Yes.
Everybody is aware of pivot tables.
Yes.
Yes.
If you know what is pivot table, you understood COPA by default. In pivot table, I will plot the data according to my own dimension, right? I can add column rows whatever the way I want,
Yes.
Yes.
right? All I need before I execute any pivot table is raw data, right?
Yes.
Similarly, COPA report also requires raw data which comes from the sales module. It will receive the total cost, total revenue and all. Accordingly, you can apply any formula, you will get the COPA report. But we need to make sure how all these things are getting accounted, how all these things are getting collected. Now to understand this process, many things to be connected. What process I told now?
Sales process.
Controlling.
Sales process. right? Am I correct? We talked about sales.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, what did we sell? Product. In our example, what did we sell?
Shoes.
Product.
Shoe.
Product.
Shoe is the product. Shoe is the material. Now,
Yeah.
you need to understand how Bata is receiving this issue. How Bata is receiving, there are only two possibilities. Possibility number one, either purchase it. Possibility number two, or produce it. Agree?
Yes.
Yes,
Either
sir.
you purchase the shoe or you manufacture the shoe. If you are manufacturing the shoe, you need to understand something called PP module, production planning module.
Yes.
How shoe is manufactured, and to manufacture a shoe, what is required. And first of all, what is manufacturing a process? It is nothing but converting raw material into finished product is your product costing.
Yes, sir.
Manufacturing a process. We need
Yes.
to understand what raw material is required for us to produce a shoe and what process to be carried out to bring this raw material into a shoe. You various activities and all you will perform. Certain key points we will touch base, and then you will understand, okay, this is how my product is manufactured, and this is the product that I am getting, or this is the cost that I am incurring on my product. In short, you call it as product cost. You are also supposed to understand basic fundamentals of PP production planning or not.
Yes.
No configuration required, nothing is required. Just you need to remember or not. This is there in SAP.
Yes.
Yes,
Otherwise,
sir.
how you will imagine that this is coming? Somebody is doing a magic? No, right? It is
Yes.
coming from somewhere, right? It is coming from
Yes.
somewhere. And from where it is coming, we need to have a basic understanding at very high level. When I say very high level, something is there. What is this? I have not seen. No problem. But you understood something is there, which is very good. Instead of telling, I don't know, it's a big miracle, then something is wrong. At least have a basic understanding something is happening. What is that something? You can figure it out later on. But at least you should believe that there is something. Agree? Or
Yes.
you are purchasing. If you are purchasing, you need to understand how you are purchasing. Yes or no? We need to understand
Yes.
how you are purchasing. What is the purchase policy? Can you buy from anybody? Can you buy any grade? Or you have so many criteria, right, before you purchase?
Yes.
All these points you will have to understand, because every company will have a policy. Some companies will tell, we will buy only from the registered suppliers. If you are a vendor but you are not registered, I may not be able to purchase even though you are selling at very low price. Am I correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Am I correct? You are not a registered supplier. You are not a registered entity. I will not buy from you even though you are giving me for low price, because I think tomorrow if there is any problem, how will I claim? You don't have any registration. You are not a VAT registered supplier, or you are not a GST registered supplier. I will not be able to purchase. As per the company policy, vendor must be a registered one. If this
Yes,
criteria is not met, you will not get into any business transaction with the vendor possible.
Yes. Possible.
Like this, for every company there are policies. Every company will have a procedure which you need to understand. Don't straight away get to, I know the purchase account debit, vendor account credit. Does not mean you understood purchases. Am I correct or not?
yes, sir.
Yes.
Basic
Yes.
fundamentals we need to understand, at least at very, very high level, with which you are not blindly coming to a conclusion. If you are coming to a conclusion blindly, then there is something wrong, right? Now you are purchasing or you are manufacturing. Either for manufacturing or for purchasing, do you need money or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Either for purchasing or for manufacturing, you need money. how company will get money? Either company will have to issue capital, issue the shares, or company will have to take a loan, borrowings, or company owners will have to invest. Agree?
Yes.
Either of the sources will be used. And company, let's say that they got money, some funds are available. Now how do they utilize the fund? By way of cash or by way of bank?
By way of bank.
By way of bank, right? Because cash transaction in any country, in any company has got limitations or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes or no? If I am trying to purchase for my individual purpose, my purchase may be 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, not beyond that, right? Am I correct?
Yes.
But if I am purchasing for a company, it is not 1,000, 2,000, 10, 20,000, it may be 2 lakh, 5 lakh. Am I right?
Yes.
You're getting my point?
Yes.
Now, will company pay 5 lakh rupees cash and then buy any material? First of all, 5 lakh a cash transaction is allowed or not allowed?
No.
Not allowed.
Not allowed. It is legally not allowed. Am I correct or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That is where you get a point called black and white into the picture.
Yes.
So cash transaction beyond a limit is not allowed in any country. Everywhere there are limitations with respect to cash. Strictly beyond a limit, there must be a bank transaction. For a company to do bank transaction, company will have to open a bank account.
Yes.
Right? Now company will have to open savings account or salary account.
Current account.
Current account.
Company will have to open current account, not sales, not salaries account, not savings account. Am I right? Those are individual accounts.
Yes.
Every company will operate current account. Now the current account, whatever company is operating, company will have to use it for both receiving a payment and making a payment.
Yes.
Yes.
Now when you are making any payment through bank, there are two possibilities. Possibility number one, write a check or receive a check. Possibility number two, transfer money or receive the money through transfer.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Merit, you need to understand how do I use my bank account. Am I using for check? If I'm using it for check, I need a checkbook,
Yes.
check stock, check leaves. Yes or no?
Yes.
If I want to use it for my transfer, I need to ensure online banking is enabled.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, are all these points to be considered or not to be considered?
We consider.
Right? Are all these are all to be considered and we must be aware of it or not?
Yes.
I'm not connecting anywhere to SAP, but these are all general fundamentals or not for any sale.
Yes.
Right? Let's say you have the bank account and then any transaction that you're initiating with customer, not necessary every time you will collect money on the spot rate. Your customer may tell or you may have an agreement with customer, we will deliver the product today and you can pay within 30 days.
Yes.
Yes.
Credit sales, in short, payment terms, terms of payment, credit period.
Yes. Yes.
Right? And I need to analyze whether I'm able to collect money on time or not. So do I need aging analysis of my customer or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Right? Sometimes I may be failing to collect the money on time.
Yes.
If I'm unable to collect money on time, then I will call it as a bad debts, doubtful debts.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
Sometimes to attract customer to make early payment, I might also offer the discount to the customer. pay within 30 days, you are eligible for 5% discount. Possible?
Yes. Yes, possible.
Now, when you do any sale, normally whenever you make any sale, tax is applicable or not?
Yes, tax applicable.
Applicable.
Right? Because you are not doing any offline sale, right? You are doing the official sale where you are liable to collect the tax, pay the tax to the government, show the tax
Yes.
report to the government.
Yes.
Now, there are two types of taxes. One is direct, another one is indirect taxes.
Yes.
Yes.
We need to understand what is direct tax. We also need to understand what is indirect tax, meaning sales purchase tax, withholding tax, or tax deducted at source, tax collected at source,
Yes.
right? And whenever you are doing all this kind of a thing, are we supposed to connect all the dots or not? Or straight
Yes.
away you can go to sale?
Yes, we need to connect the dots.
You'll have to connect every dot. Only then you feel, yes, I am now able to understand what is happening. Otherwise, we feel that we are lost somewhere. Most of the times, we feel that we are not able to understand because we are not clear with the basic fundamental of any company. When we do not know the basic fundamental, it is by default that we don't think beyond a level, beyond a point. Am I right?
Yes.
When you are not going beyond a point, you will not understand what is actually happening. Technically, you may be able to work on the system. Technically, you may be solving the problem, but practically, you are not understanding the scenario requirement. Am I right? Tomorrow, when
Yes.
you need to talk to somebody, you may be failing to explain what you have done. All the things maybe you only worked, but you are not able to explain what you have done, what was the problem, why the problem came, what solution you have given, whether it is resolved permanently or temporarily. We are not confident because I got that error, but somehow I closed the error. I don't know what I did. Possible?
Yes.
Problem is all right, leave it now. That mindset should not be there. Solve the problem, very good, but understand why problem came. That is your actual learning, right? That is
Yes.
your actual understanding. If problem is resolved but you don't know what is the problem, why problem came, it's okay. You're not understanding anything, you're not learning, improving anything, right? Now here, while talking about the sales, can you directly perform the sale without
No.
No. Is required because you need to maintain the material, because you need to know the cost of the material. Similarly, how material is coming? Either by purchasing or by producing.
Yes.
In either of the case, you need a vendor or not, supplier, to supply the raw material
Yes.
or the final material. Am I correct?
Yes.
Because you are not doing a magic and then you are not bringing the product, you are selling it to the customer directly, right? The product, whatever you are bringing, is something that you are producing or purchasing. Supplier is required. Supplier means vendor. Is vendor accounting possible without accounts payable?
No.
No.
Without accounts payable, vendor accounting is not possible. Okay. Without customer account, without accounts receivable, customer accounting is possible?
No.
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 Not.
No. So you need both accounts payable and accounts receivable to work on the sales.
Yes.
Yes.
Right. Now this accounts payable, accounts receivable, is it main ledger account or is it sub ledger accounting?
Subledger accounts.
Subledger.
Subledger.
It is sub ledger accounting. Do you prepare financial statement with the sub ledgers or purely main ledgers?
No,
Subledger
subledger.
only.
Subledger.
Main ledger.
Financial statement, TB P&L balance sheet
Main
with
ledger.
sub ledger or with main ledger?
Main ledger.
In ledgers.
Strictly main ledger, no subledger. Okay, meaning you need to combine all the subledgers and represent them as into main ledger. That is where you would have noticed sundry debtor, sundry creditor.
Yes.
So,
You will never write customer name in the balance sheet. You will never write vendor name in the balance sheet. Am I correct?
Yes.
so,
You will write either accounts payable, receivable, or sundry debtor, sundry creditor. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes.
yes, sir.
Because you are not supposed to write subledger details into trial balance or balance sheet directly. It has to be connected via control account or via reconciliation account. Your accounts payable, your accounts receivable are reconciliation accounts.
Yes.
Right? These are reconciliation account. Slowly we need to make sure these points we are comfortable with. Don't try to understand at one go, it is not possible. But make sure you're in a position to connect what is what based on the simple examples with which you feel okay, this is happening in a company. Because of this we are able to calculate profit, because of this we are able to calculate loss, because of this we are able to calculate material and all. In short, are all these interconnected or not?
Yes. Interconnected
Yes,
with each other.
Yes.
Right? These are all interconnected. Without these points, is business possible or not possible?
not possible.
Not possible.
Not possible.
Without this, business is not possible in any company. And without this, is it possible for us to understand SAP FICO, not learning SAP FICO?
Not possible.
No.
No.
Not possible. You can technically configure the system, you can technically perform every transaction, but practically we cannot understand because you are not relating it with any practical scenario, right? Simply this is the screen, this is the T code, this is the setting, do like this, tick that, you will be able to do it because you are blindly following what I am doing. Am I right?
Yes.
Which should not be the scenario. Either you'll have to do it practically, properly, or you should not do at all. At the end, it is not about we are going writing an exam where we get pass mark, I am happy. Not like this, right? We need to prove the knowledge, you need to prove the skill set to get the job opportunity, and you're expecting good salary, you're expecting a good profile, good position. And on the other side, the interviewer, your employer, company is also expecting good candidate with good understanding. Am I right?
Yes.
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 The way you have expectation, in the similar way, company also has the expectation. I want a FICO consultant who is good at understanding the business process. I want a FICO consultant who is good at different activities of a FICO consulting. Nothing wrong in their expectation, nothing wrong in your expectation also, right? But it has to be fair enough. Am I right?
Yes.
You are not okay if somebody is giving you offer, but after that they are not paying you salary on time. You are not okay, right? Similarly, company is also not okay. Somebody is joining as a FICO consultant, but they are not able to perform. Company is also not okay.
Yes.
Everybody will have the expectation, right? We need to meet the expectation. Don't exceed. At least meet. Meeting expectation is enough. God only knows whether you will exceed or not, but at least meet the expectation. Meaning, you need to know what is expected from you, and accordingly, you need to put your effort. You will see the result. Meaning, from the beginning, if you try to connect the points in a different way, automatically you will recollect so many points,
Yes. Agree.
right?
Yes, sir.
We talked about sales because sale is the last point. When everything is done, that is when you sell. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
When everything is completed, that is where you do a sale. When nothing is completed, you will tell no, sales is not yet started, right? You take any business,
Yes.
you
Yes.
take any business, they will start selling only once everything is completed. Am I right?
Yes.
Meaning, once the product is ready, they start selling. To keep that product ready, they need to invest money, they need to spend money.
Yes, sir.
Once the product is ready, again they need to spend money to store the product, to keep it in a safe location. Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
While selling also, they need to spend money by way of salesman salary, commission, and so on. So,
Yes.
Yes.
Operating expenses.
right? Different points are coming in between. Everywhere, everything is monetary related.
Yes.
And these are common points in every company or exclusively applicable in our imaginations. Whatever we are talking now, are these common in every company or these are only for our understanding now?
No, these all common in every company.
These are all common in every company. What we are talking is the basic fundamental points which will happen in every organization. Okay, we need to slowly get connected to this point. We need to slowly ensure we are comfortable with this point. Just try to ensure you are getting comfortable with this point. Don't try to understand because you will not understand now. I'm openly telling you will not be able to understand at this moment because you need many points interlinking before you understand this. That you will do as you move forward. In our regular sessions, every dot we will connect crystal clear with detailed in-depth examples. Okay, but you need to have that level of mindset to sit, understand, learn subject in such a way that there is no problem tomorrow. Only then things will work out in your way, otherwise it will not. Right from the starting of your company until identifying a profit of your company, what and all is happening, at least at a very high level, you need to understand. When I say at very high level, don't write anything anywhere, just imagine, see if you are able to connect a certain dots or not. For sure you will connect. Am I right? This is required, that is required, and for me to buy this, I need to buy, I need to invest money. Let's say you are doing business, you don't do standing business, right? You will have to sit in every business. Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
And will you sit on the floor and work, or you need a chair?
Required chair.
You need a chair, right? Then
Yes.
chair you need to buy, or somebody will give you a gift. You're
No, we have
starting a
to.
business,
Need to
please take
buy.
chair as my gift. Nobody will give you like this, right?
Yes. We
And
have to
first
buy.
of all, in business, you're not supposed to accept any gifts,
Yes.
right? You'll have to buy a chair. Now, when you purchase the chair, you will buy a chair which will work only for 2 months, and after that it will break or it will give a repair. You will throw and then buy one more chair after 2 months, or you will buy a
Yes.
chair which will give more durability, more life,
More durability and more life.
More durability and more life.
right? Meaning now this chair is a fixed asset or it is a current asset.
Fixed asset.
Fixed
It is a
asset.
fixed asset. Part of which asset category?
Furniture and fixtures.
Furniture, right? It is part of a furniture. Now like this, you need to look at what fixed assets do I require. Now whenever you do any sale, is your customer okay if you don't give bill?
No, required
No.
bill.
No.
He requires
Required
bill.
bill.
For you to take a bill, you need computer or not? Is your
Yes.
customer okay if you write a manual bill? No, right?
No.
No, sir.
You'll have to give system generated bill. Now, for you to generate a system bill, you need a system, either a computer or a laptop.
Yes.
You
Yes.
need to buy at least one computer or one laptop.
Yes.
Yes.
This is again fixed asset.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You buy second-hand computer, second-hand laptop, or you buy a new laptop.
New
for your
laptop.
company?
Yeah, new laptop.
For sure, you will buy a new one, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And for you to give a printout, you need a printer.
Yes, sir.
For you to print, you need a paper.
Yes.
Yes.
For printer to print on the paper, you need ink.
Yes.
Yes.
Cartridge.
For printer to work, you need electricity. Yes, no?
Yes.
Now everything is getting interconnected or not?
Yes. It is interconnected.
Yes, sir.
You'll have to connect things in such a way that yes, now I'm able to understand. I need to invest so many things. I need to have a lot of expenses. Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Some customer will come. Okay. Now you have around 10, 15, 20 customer. You will not ask them to stand in queue, right?
Yes.
Nobody
We need
came
to.
to visit God Darshan, right?
Yes.
To fall in a queue.
Yeah.
Everybody came to buy something and you'll have to respect them.
Yeah.
At
Visiting chair.
least make some arrangement for them to sit. Chair,
Yes.
sofa set, you need
Yes.
to buy.
Yes.
Somebody will tell, can I get some water? You need to arrange water.
Yes.
You cannot employ somebody or who will come with glass and then he will pour water in it, right? You will have to put either a water dispenser or you'll have to put water bottles.
Yes.
Meaning the way you're arranging the thing is also consideration here. Also involves cost.
Yes.
So all points will have to connect. When you're taking a point, trying to dig that point, you will get so many points. Am I right? You just
Yes.
need a kickstart and you will automatically connect. You will automatically think so many points. I need this, I need that, I need this. You have to connect. The moment you connect, it's all done. You understand you're online, you're on the track. You will go in a proper direction. If not, you will think left and right. Why this, why that, why this? Meaning it is all required. Look at any company financial statement. They will also record fuel expenses. Am I correct? Petrol
Yes.
expenses. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Meaning they have to record it, no other go. They also put entertainment expenses.
Yeah. Yes.
They also put lunch expenses.
Yes.
Meaning everything must be recorded, everything must be tracked. Meaning we need to slowly understand how a business is actually operating. Why they are recording, accounting everything, even if it is 1 rupee. There is a logic behind it because as per accounting, you have to record every monetary transaction
Yes.
irrespective of the value.
Yes.
Don't ignore if it is 1 rupee, don't ignore it is 1 paisa, whether it is 1 paisa or 1 lakh, record it.
Yes.
All right, because your accounting is audited.
Yes.
Unless your accounts are audited, you will not get to know that you are doing right accounting or you are not doing right accounting, right? Your
Yes.
financial statement for the year end must be audited and signed by the auditor. Auditor is nothing but a chartered accountant, CA.
Yes.
Sure.
All these points we have to connect. We have to understand, you have to think. Then easy for everybody to understand, okay, this is what happens and this is the reason why every project is taking time. Simple example, learning for SAP FICO is typically 3 to 4 months, 1 hour a day.
Yes.
Yes.
And why a project is not completing not less than 9 months, not less than 1 year? Am I right? 8 hours a
Yes.
day, 9 months, why project is still not completed? 1 hour a day, how come your full training FICO is completed with a tagline called real time? Something we have to be very practical. Yes, no?
Yes. Yes.
We have to think why this is, how come it is possible? If 1 hour a day I'm able to complete, I'm able to learn full SAP FICO training, why we are not able to implement SAP 8 hours a day, which means 2 weeks, maximum 3 weeks, least case worst situation 1 month project should be live? Because in your training you are focusing only on the configuration. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
In your training the focus is only on the config, but in the project config is only 10%. Remaining the 90% is there, which is other than config. This 90% point we will ignore in your training. So that is why you feel very simple. But 90% is easy or 10% is easy? 90% matters or 10% matters?
90%.
90%.
That is the reason why most of the people who learn SAP FICO will not get job. This is the main reason. You getting my point?
Yes.
Look at why everybody who learn SAP FICO will not get job is because they focus on this 10% configuration content, 100% effort. Even if you put 1000% effort, result is the same, right?
Yes.
Because the content that you are picking, way that you're adopting, understanding that you're having is something which is not in line with the market standard, which is not in line with the market expectation. For sure, result is not in your favor. Result is always against you. You have to change your way, you have to change your thought process, you have to change your preparation module. Only then things will work in your way. Result is in your favor. It's all in your hand. How you decide, how you understand, how you move forward, everything is in your hand. If you are not practicing on the system, how you will get the practical experience? It's not theoretical, right? Tomorrow when you go to the market, is your reading, practicing matter or not?
Yes.
Matters.
Right? Whatever you read, it should be valid content. Whatever you practice, it should be valid content. If you're reading irrelevant content, practicing irrelevant thing, you will perform irrelevant task.
Yes.
And make sure on all these points you will be in a position to pay attention in such a way. Only target in your mind is that when you are in the market, not during your training, after your training, you are confident. When I say you are confident, you should feel that yes, I can clear the interview. If this confidence is not coming in us, something is wrong with you, something is wrong with me. Both of us, something is wrong. Not just with you, not just with me. Because we both worked collectively. Yes or no?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Whatever you practiced, whatever you prepared is based on what I'm telling you. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Sir.
Whether you are getting a job, not getting a job, whether you are getting a knowledge, not getting knowledge, my hand is also involved or not,
Yes.
Yes.
right? If it is not there, you are not with me, right? You are not here today. You are here today to ensure you understand right content, you practice in a right direction. Otherwise, you are capable enough to manage on your own,
Yes.
right? You came here to me or attending my session or approaching me to get guidance or proper knowledge, expecting something in a better way,
Yes.
Yes,
which will
sir.
mold your career, build your career to ensure you will get a better break in your future with better pay or with better understanding. No more strugglings in the near future. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes.
For which the way you put your effort in the similar way, I also have to put my effort.
मैं
If
बना
I
सकते
take
क्या?
it so casual, okay, all this kind of thing,
लेकिन
nothing
इससे
will work
ज्यादा
out,
नहीं खा
right?
सकते मालूम, क्वांटिटी सही है.
Am I correct? So slowly we need to make sure our effort, our understanding, our practice, preparation is in line with the market standard. Always go with the current market standard. In the current SAP market, there are so many new things coming up. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Which we have to understand, and you have to be competitive enough. Whenever new thing is coming, it's a new opportunity for everybody, not just for you. Yes or no?
Yes.
The way it is new for you, in a similar way, it is new for those who are already working on SAP FICO. Those who are already working on SAP FICO may not find the time to get to know about these new things. But when you're learning now, when you're getting trained now, you have the better scope or not?
Yes.
You have the better possibilities, you have the better opportunity
Yes.
to overtake
Yes.
them. You'll have to
Yes.
take them in a positive way and then put your effort accordingly. Don't think I have a friend who is already working in SAP from last 7 years. He is only not able to understand. How come I will understand? Nobody will understand you because you yourself not understanding you. That's it. Forget about all other things. You're only not confident about you. You're thinking completely negative. So nobody can help in this situation. You'll have to think in a practical manner, which will give you the result. And then put your effort accordingly. You will literally see the magic. Because only you can do the magic. I cannot do any magic. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
I can only tell you the tricks. I can only show you the different shortcuts. I can show you different ways to understand things, different ways to attract the client or attract your interviewer or so and so people with your knowledge, with your subject. Your subject should be magical. Then you will see the result. And there you'll have to put effort. Once you are good at it, then you don't have to look back. For next 20, 30 years, just relax. If you put effort now, straight away 20 to 30 years, you don't have to think about your career. After 20, 30 years, nobody knows what will happen, right? 20 years is more than enough. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
Done. Little effort, 20 years, you don't have to look back. Done. But requires different approach, different understanding, different seriousness from your side. No casualties, strictly seriousness is required. Otherwise, things will not work out. I'm telling you at the beginning. If you are so casual that let me learn, let me go through the recording later on, things will not work out. Even if you're referring to the recording, you have to be serious. And you'll have to ensure you're understanding things in a better way. Then only you will feel, yes, I am understanding. Day by day, you need to feel that you're getting to know new things. Am I correct?
Yes.
Because you're at a learning stage now. When you're at a learning stage, make sure you're looking at your progress on a daily basis or on a weekly basis or at least on a monthly basis. What is my understanding yesterday, today, tomorrow? Daily basis is too much to expect, but at least on a weekly basis. This week, what I'm planning to do, next week, what I'm planning to do, because you have less time, right? Hardly 5 to 6 months. In this
Yes.
5 to 6 months,
Yes.
whatever time you have, make sure you will have sufficient practical understanding on the subject with which you are confident to clear any interview, work in any project. If this effort you can put, you are settled. No doubt, nobody can change it. Strictly, nobody can change it. You will get job 100% in SAP FICO. There is no doubt about it, provided you are serious about it and you put right effort. All right. I hope you are understanding, right, what we're discussing.
Yes, sir.
Though
Yes.
we're
Yes.
talking a little more generic, not exactly into SAP. Just to ensure you connect to the point, I'm giving you different generic examples. But as we move forward, we will strictly come back to SAP. Once I talk about SAP, I don't want anybody to feel it is too technical. I want you to connect it so easily so that you will feel that yes, it is the same concept that I already understood. Similar thing, and you will have that confidence level. All right, fine then. Let me stop now. Tomorrow we will take a break. The next session we will continue on Monday at the same time.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Good night.
Thank
Yeah.
you, sir.
Like